What's up guys and welcome to Indian Dope Trick. I am in Mumbai right now and I am asking girls about their likes and their dislikes. About what likes and dislikes? I'm talking about sex. Would you date someone who's got lots of money, or would you be with someone who's really good in bed? How long should a guy last in bed according to you?
Last
Before he comes.
No, I didn't hear the question. Next question.
No experience. But Andaze say, how long should he last?
45 minutes to 1 hour.
45 minutes to 1 hour.
Okay, we'll give the guys a little benefit of doubt and we would go to 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Never been to that stage to discover it.
Liars! Liars! Liars!
I really don't, I swear.
I have not tried yet, so I don't have any idea.
No idea. Why is everyone lying today?
I don't know. It's true. 4 to 5 minutes, whatever.
4 to 5? Okay.
40 minutes.
How long?
40 minutes.
30 minutes.
Yeah.
10 minutes? 15 minutes?
Yeah, 15 minutes.
15 minutes. It took you 15 minutes to answer that, okay.
How much time would you do it in?
It depends on the situation, if I'm drunk or if I'm not drunk. What? Alright, so what's the first thing you notice in a guy?
For me, it's eyes basically.
Eyes.
Yeah.
Personality moreover.
His height.
Face. The way he talks.
Good looks. For me, it's height.
The way he talks. His look, obviously.
Looks. Probably his height.
His height. Personality.
A guy who is loaded with money or a guy who is really good in bed? Within these two. Really good.
Okay, yeah, good in bed. A combination of both. Good in bed.
Good in bed.
Neither. So what is your requirement?
No one night stands, first of all. No.
How would you know that he's good in bed unless you
Supposedly, खबरें आई हैं वहाँ से.
engine with him?
Yeah, I would say the same thing.
So his skills in bed basically.
Yeah.
Good in bed, I guess. Because if he is not good in bed, then what's the point?
What's the point of the entire race?
I don't know. I swear I don't know. Who's really rich? Okay, I can still teach him how to be good in bed. So probably I'll go with the one who's
rich?
Someone who's very rich.
what's his bed skills? Neither.
So money doesn't matter? No? The bed matters. Okay, the bed matters.
We have enough for ourselves.
What is the one thing which turns you off in a guy?
Bad personal hygiene.
Bad breath.
Too much?
Tongue.
Too much tongue? Like supposedly if a guy farts.
Oh my god. That's a very big turn off.
Possible?
You keep their eyes open. I think he should not have a, protruding belly. That's the biggest turn off.
Same breath. That's like the first thing, and the smell.
Oh, okay, smell. This is the sign for smell.
The way he smells, yeah, and his breath.
So if he smells bad, you won't do shit with him.
No.
That's just
Very dirty.